So Sound.me is coming to YouTube Shorts. That means on your Shorts, you can be able to monetize your YouTube channel through various ways which YouTube has provided. You can check the video in my account on how to monetize your YouTube Shorts. Sound.me has also come in. They would like also to participate in this, where you earn revenue for your YouTube Shorts. So they have sent this as a campaign, but it's not a paid campaign. So for you to join the wait list, there is a link they have given down there. If you go to Sound.me website, on the menu you see YouTube Shorts. Just click on that. So this is another campaign for verification, that is verifying accounts. Make sure geolocation is enabled. You can check the latest video I did. The last, I think, 2 or 3 videos. There should be one touching on this. So let's see how to apply for your Shorts for Sound.me campaigns. So you go to the browser, either on the computer or on your phone. You open Sound.me website. There's a link they have given on the campaign. That is Sound.me, then YouTube dash shorts. I'll leave the link in the description. So this is the place you're supposed to fill in your details. That is your names and email and phone number. These are picked automatically by Sound.me from your account if you're already logged in. If you're not logged in, then you need to log in. Make sure you put your email address, your phone number, and country. Then your TikTok URL. This one you can always get from your TikTok account. You just log into your TikTok from the app or TikTok right app. Let's wait for it. So you go to profile. Then there you have your username. So this is the one that we'll be copying. So you have copied username. So just click to copy the username. Or alternatively, you can go to settings, privacy. Then you go to share profile. That's the easiest. Settings and privacy. Then you share profile. Then you click copy link. Then you go back to the page that we are updating. Then you add your TikTok URL. That's the link people can access your TikTok account with. If they click on that, so you just paste, long press, then paste. Then we also need our YouTube account, the one that now you'll be using for Sound.me. You also need the URL. YouTube also introduced usernames for the YouTube channels. So if you have not updated yours, you can go to your YouTube app and update. But every YouTube channel has its unique link. So that's the link that will be required. Let's first paste our TikTok URL. So that's it. We have our TikTok URL. So we need our YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel where the campaigns that we receive from Sound.me will be able to create our YouTube shorts and use those sounds provided as the background sounds for our YouTube shorts without any other sound. Instructions will be given once they release. So you go to YouTube app, then you click on your profile icon. We are there in our account. So you go to your channel, then the three dots, there's a share, then you click copy link. So we have copied our YouTube account, our YouTube channel URL. That is the link to our YouTube channel, the one that we reuse with Sound.me. So we paste that at the YouTube channel URL, then we submit. That request will be received by Sound.me, and you'll be among the ones who are on the waiting list. So if you are approved, then you'll be able to get campaigns which you can create video for and upload on your YouTube channel as YouTube Shorts. Then use the sound provided by Sound.me, the background sound. So let's submit. So let me submit again. So if you get this error, you just submit again. Then there, I'm done. So they'll be contacting me once the program is ready, and I'll be able now to participate in the YouTube Shorts campaigns. That is the sound that will be given by sponsors that you're supposed to create videos for on YouTube channel as YouTube Shorts. Then you use those sounds like we have been doing with TikTok. Then you start making money. So a few FAQs from so.me. How do you get more campaigns? You can say you need to enable your geolocation. I think I've already done video for that. You can search for it in my YouTube channel. And make sure you keep your TikTok account in good standing. You create more campaigns, more videos, even with different sounds. And make sure you always follow instructions as given by sound.me. So there are also other FAQs you can get at sound.me website. So you can go through them and see what you can do to improve your campaign frequency. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next one.